Hey everyone, so I realized my last video was a little too far in advance, so I just wanted to dial it back to some like 101. The first thing you should do when it comes to indexing your site and showing Google changes. So first thing you want to do is go to Google Search Console. It's gonna look like this. Gonna hit Start Now, and it's going to take you to this screen. And then you're either gonna have your domain verified already, or you can go through that process where you add a property. You basically just add your domain. It's going to ask you to either add some sort of DNS record or not. Either way, this is the one that you want to do and put it in here. And once you do, Google gives you the information about the domain. And when you're in this, the first thing you need to do with any WordPress site or any site is you go to the sidebar here and click on Sitemaps. And you either have this connected or you don't. Most sites have something that looks like this, sitemap.xml. Depends on how you have it set up and how your site's coded. But in this case, it's sitemap underscore index.xml. So, and it says status success. So that's great. That's what we want. Now, how does this relate to WordPress and previous videos I've done? Is if you go to RankMath and sitemap settings, this is where you'll get that link. This you get it right here, and you can basically copy and paste that. Whoops. Copy and paste that right here, and then click submit if it's not done yet. And that's all it is the sitemap settings, and you can customize the settings a lot. You can kind of go through and say like, posts, yes, you want them included in the sitemap. Pages, same thing. I want those included in the sitemap. Attachments, portfolio FAQs, like anything you have as far as post IDs, you can change, and then they will appear in this so that when you click on it and you actually open up the sitemap, it includes those kind of sub sitemap files, so posts, pages, local. And if you click into those like pages, it's going to have all the different pages that you index to Google. So that's great. That's exactly what we want. So when you make these changes to your website, some significant ones, the last video I did was about redirects. You need to communicate that with Google. So I would refresh this. I'd go out to Google Sitemaps and make sure that it's accurate and has that success as far as status goes.